Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Taco Bell Diablo Ranch Sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well, welcome back. I appreciate you joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making Taco Bell Diablo Ranch Sauce. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got a half a cup of ranch dressing, 2 tablespoons of Taco Bell Diablo sauce, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and some salt and pepper. So let's start mixing this up. Alright, so basically we take all of our ingredients, start out with the ranch dressing, the Diablo sauce. This recipe is on my website, it's onlyfood.biz, it's onlyfood.biz, or you can just click the link down in the description box. Add the salt and pepper and the garlic and the paprika. Then we got our lemon juice, and we're just going to whip this all up. Alright, there it is. We are going to plate this up with some chips. Give it a try. Don't go away. Alright, we're all done with that. Let's take a taste test here and see how this tastes. Nice and creamy. Sticks to the chip rather well. Beautiful color. You can see all the ingredients in there. Shake that off a little bit. Let's go in with a bite. Oh yeah. Creaminess of that ranch dressing. You get a little bite from the Diablo sauce. It keeps coming. You get the garlic in there and paprika. And you definitely taste the acidity of that lemon in there as well. But take another shot of a bite. Yeah, it's good. Burrito, bowl, taco. Yeah, the heat's coming through now. It's pretty good. You can steal packets. You can make your own with some ranch dressing, or you can go check out my Diablo sauce recipe, which is also here. I'll put a card right here. So, or somewhere in the video. Not sure if it's right here, but you definitely make your own Diablo sauce, and you can make your own Diablo Ranch sauce. Don't forget to check out my website. It's onlyfood.biz. It's onlyfood.biz. And check out all the recipes I've got for fast food sauces. I got a ton of them. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.